Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Kingboard small ironing board with iron holder. There are features include space saving. The unique folding allows the ironing board to fold completely in half. After folding, it measures 12x16 inch and fits anywhere where space is limited. The iron board measures 32x12 inch. Iron not included. Smooth surface and sturdy material. The cloth cover is flat and smooth without any grooves, you can easily iron your clothes on it. Adjustable TRP feet covers help shield floors from scratches and easy to use on uneven tabletop. In addition, it can breathe and dissipate heat quickly with the help of mesh design. 2 replaceable covers. Ironing board covers are made of extremely scorch and stain resistant cotton fabric 100% cotton. It provides exceptional durability and super smooth ironing. Iron storage. Tabletop folding ironing board with iron holder to help you neatly organize your dorm room and make it look aesthetically pleasing. Intimate details. The compact ironing board can be fastened by locking buttons when folded. With its own hanging hook, it can be mounted onto a wall or door, making it really easy to store. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.